The crucial Politburo meeting of Communist Party of India, Marxist or CPM, has started in New Delhi, and all eyes are now on one big question. Who will get the party ticket for the 2026 Kerala Assembly elections? This high level meeting is not just about choosing candidates, it is also about the political future of some of the party's biggest names. Leaders like Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, former Health Minister KK Shailaja, and former Finance Minister Thomas Isaac are at the center of discussions. Sources say that the party leadership is seriously debating whether senior leaders and central committee members should contest the upcoming assembly polls. There is also a larger internal discussion happening. Should the party continue with the experienced faces, or is it time to bring in a new generation of leaders? One of the most important decisions will be about Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. At 80 years old, he remains a key figure in the party's strategy. However, there are internal talks about age norms and leadership renewal. A final decision on his candidature is expected only after detailed discussions in the Politburo. In Kannur district, tensions are already visible. KK Shailaja, who currently represents Mattanur, is reportedly unhappy with signals that she may not be fielded again from the same seat. Sources suggest she has indicated that she may prefer not to contest if she is denied Mattanur. Meanwhile, Thomas Isaac is said to be interested in making a comeback. He did not contest the 2021 assembly elections and later faced defeat in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. Now, the party is considering whether he should return to the assembly arena. Internal differences have also surfaced in Taliparamba. State Secretary M.V. Govindan is reportedly supporting journalist turned politician M.V. Nikesh Kumar as a possible candidate. However, some district level leaders are said to be backing other names. Nikesh Kumar had earlier contested the 2016 assembly elections from Kannur but did not win. This Politburo meeting comes at a very sensitive time for the CPM. The party wants to retain power in Kerala, but recent local body election results in December have reportedly raised concerns within the leadership. In the end, this meeting is not just about tickets, it is about balancing experience and youth, discipline and ambition, and planning a strong strategy for the 2026 battle. An official announcement is expected once the discussions conclude, and that decision could shape the political future of Kerala.